If you want to create a Word document in Android phone, first open Play Store, then install this app and just open that and sign into your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail or Skype, anything. You just need to sign in on account or just create a new account if you want. Then just click this plus icon. Here you can select the template, default template. For now I go with blank, and here type your heading just like that. Then click this, and if you want to ask a question, just ask here. Then click this arrow. Here click this, then click this arrow and scroll down. Here you can change these things. Here you can choose bullet points, or if you want a number like this, here you can choose your wish. I just select the ABCD order and type yes, just like that. Then down, no. Likewise you can play with these things. If you want to create another question, here you can add the Roman letter. Just type the letter and click dot and space. Now it's under order. Then click here. If you want to ask another question or pair of means, back again, then again click this, then ask the question just like that. Then again click this and click this arrow, numbering, and same thing just like that. And if you want to add a image like that, means just swipe here, and if you click this you can add the image. And if you want to insert a table, click this. Here you can play with these things and insert table, then it will be added. And if you want to save this, click these three dots and tap save as, and here you can choose the path. For now I just click this device and documents. Here change the name, then tap save. Now it's saved as Word document. If you want to save this as PDF, click share and click share as attachment and PDF. Then here you can see. Now choose the path, my file saved, and here just tap save. That's it. Now I open the Files app, Documents, here it is. Just like that. And this is basically how you can create a Word document on Android phone. If you want to know more videos about Microsoft services, watch these videos.